Hey guys, it's Miss Mueller, and here are your directions for Thursday, April 29th. Today, you're going to be playing Renaissance Review Tic-Tac-Toe, and it is very similar to regular Tic-Tac-Toe, but it is designed to have you do two very small but creative in different ways, creative tasks before you do your quizzes as your unit quiz. So it's going to be a way to help you to review everything before we move on, before you take your quiz, and then we'll move on to a new unit tomorrow. Okay? It's very similar to regular tic-tac-toe because you're trying to get three in a row. But, and a big but, I know that's silly, but seriously, but you must go through number 5. Okay? So each of these has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 5, you must go through the center. Okay? That's not how regular tic-tac-toe works, but educational tic-tac-toe, you must go through the center because that is your actual quiz. Okay? So look at this in color pairs. We have the yellow and the yellow. They're across from each other. Make 3 in a row with that number 5 in the middle. Or you could do the green and the green. Or you could do the blue and the blue, the other diagonal. Or you could do purple and purple. You must go through number 5. Okay? So say I wanted to go and do my review bingo. Sorry, review tic-tac-toe. And I'm trying to figure out what things I want to do. There are 4 different options, and the tic-tac-toe is just putting those options in different orders. So if I want to make a Renaissance meme, and I'm okay with also posting an Instagram story, then that's what I'm going to go do. But if I want to make a meme right here, and I rather, instead of an Instagram story and doing the yellows, maybe I want to make a meme and I want to do the purples because there are 4 options here. There's create a meme, write an Instagram story, practice your vocab on Quizlet, and explain your opinion on Padlet. So the bottom half is the same as that, but mixed up so that you can make different combinations and you don't all have to do the same thing because we're all different kinds of learners and I want you to choose what makes you happy. Okay? So choose a color pair and then complete the 2 colors before you finish number 5. That's because the two color squares will help you to review for your quiz. So say I wanted to do the green ones. I would post an Instagram story. So first I would click on this link and it opens up to Renaissance Instagram stories. The directions are on the front, although you do know how to do this already. We've done this in class before. Why don't I click the second one while that one's loading? So I'm choosing green right now. I'm pretending to choose green. I want to post an Instagram story and I want to practice on Quizlet. I'm going to click that link. Let's go see if it's loaded yet. Okay. So I'm going to read the directions, add my name, use the image, add a message, add hashtags, keep it school appropriate. Nice job. I'm going to go and I'm going to add mine to one of these slides somewhere on the slide deck. It's okay if it's a random number like 37, right? But you're going to put your name up at the top, add your image, write a message. We've already done this in class before. We've used this template before, so I don't think it's anything new. Read the directions, do your slide, okay? If I read the directions and did my slide, then I would take an X and I would say, Miss Mueller, I posted my Instagram story. That's my X. Then I'm going to go for the second green, Quizlet vocabulary practice. So on here, I'm going to see like, oh, here's all the words that we've had in our unit. And there are games along the side. Flashcards, I can learn them, write them, spell them, test them. I can match them, kind of like playing a matching card game. Gravity is when they fall and you have to type them faster, then they fall. And live, I think that is the only one that you can't play. Okay? So you would play some games and try and practice those words. That will help you. So say I played some games and I practiced my words, and then I put my X right here. Both those green boxes are going to help me to get ready for my quiz. If you want to do more than 2 boxes, that's fine. Totally fine. If you want to do all 4 different kinds of boxes, that's fine. Or just do 2 and then take your quiz. Okay, so this one, play the quizzes. You know what to do. We've played quizzes many times in class before. You're going to open up the quizzes, add your name, and start. That is the assignment that is going to have a grade. The other 2 are practice, meaning it doesn't matter how long it takes you or exactly, what order you do, as long as you finish with your quizzes, so your brain is ready. You prep your brain by doing your 2 colors. You finish with your brain doing your quiz. You turn that in. That is the end of the Renaissance unit. I know you can do this. You're doing an awesome job already this year. Why not one more day? Please email me if you have any questions. Other than that, I think you're good to go, and I will see you soon.